How did slave codes legally oppress Black people? Imagine living in a world where your rights are stripped away just because of your skin color. That was the reality created by slave codes in early America. These laws were made to control enslaved Black people and keep them powerless. They declared enslaved individuals as property, not people. This meant they could be bought, sold, and inherited like land or livestock. Their status as property lasted for their entire lives, with no legal way to change it. Slave codes also banned enslaved Black people from owning land or making contracts. They could not buy or sell goods or start businesses. This kept them dependent on their enslavers and blocked any chance of economic independence. Movement was also tightly restricted. Enslaved people could not leave the plantation without permission, which kept them confined and under constant watch. Education was another target of these laws. Slave codes outlawed teaching enslaved Black people to read or write. Enslavers feared that knowledge would lead to rebellion or resistance. By keeping Black people uneducated, they aimed to prevent empowerment and maintain control. Laws also forbade enslaved individuals from gathering in groups or speaking out. They could not testify in court against white people or defend themselves if accused of a crime. Even in cases of self-defense, they faced harsh punishment. Social interactions were limited as well. Enslaved Black people could not visit white or free Black households. This isolation kept them socially separated and easier to control. These laws were designed to protect the economic interests of white enslavers and uphold a racial hierarchy. They were often made stricter after events like the Nat Turner Rebellion, which was a major slave uprising. Enforcement was carried out by patrols and courts that upheld these laws. Even after slavery officially ended, many of these restrictions continued in Black codes and Jim Crow laws. These laws kept legal barriers in place that oppressed Black Americans for generations. Looking at this history, slave codes show how the law was used to dehumanize Black people and deny them basic rights. Understanding these laws helps us see the long fight for freedom and equality that Black Americans have carried on throughout history.